Let's solve this inequality. So keep in mind whether we have to change the direction of the inequality. Remember, that's when you multiply through or divide by a negative number. Here we have an inequality we're solving. Since we do have fractions, let's multiply through by the LCD, and that is 12. So I will multiply each term by 12. 12 times this first term, 12 times this. Do not forget 0 times 12 also, although in this case, of course, that is 0. So here in this first term, there is a common factor of 3, and 12 divided by 3 is 4. So I have left 4 times, in parentheses, 3x minus 2, minus, and then a common factor of 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I have 3 times, and then that's 5x plus 1. 0 times 12 is 0. Remember our next step? Let's remove parentheses by multiplying and using the distributive property. So 4 times 3x, that's 12x, minus 4 times 2 is 8. Now be very, very careful. This is negative 3 times 5x, which is negative 15x. I'll write minus 15x. And then it's negative 3 times 1, which is negative 3. I'll write minus 3. Still greater than or equal to 0. Then do we have any like terms on either side of the inequality that can be combined? The answer is yes. These two terms are like terms. 12x minus 15x, that's negative 3x. And then here is negative 8 minus 3, that's negative 11. I'll write minus 11, and greater than or equal to 0. No more like terms. These are unlike terms, cannot be combined. Remember now we want variable term on one side or terms on one side, all the numbers on the other side. So I will add 11 to both sides. Here's my left side. And then here's, I left a little space, my right side. And then I'll add 11 to both sides. Notice what happens on the left side. Negative 11 plus 11 is 0, so I have negative 3x greater than or equal to 11. And then how do we finish solving? We divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which in this case is negative 3. So be very, very careful. What happens this time? What happens is that because we are dividing by a negative number, the direction of the inequality symbol changes, and it is now in that direction. And I have on the left side x, then less than or equal to negative 11 thirds. All numbers less than or equal to negative 11 thirds are solutions of our original inequality.